Assalamu alaikum ji. My name is Furqan Rizvi and I am from Ravi Auto Sundar. We are basically auto part manufacturer, and we feel like the initiative taken by TDAP, especially inviting us to go to the African market, we believe that it was a very good step taken by TDAP, and we basically appreciated the efforts being taken by TDAP. And when we went there, we were also very excited to see a lot of people coming in, and there were more than 100 participants moving from here to that market and exploring those areas. So overall, that was a very good experience for us. And now the follow-up visit, and we saw a lot of guys who visited our stall over there. They are moving to this part and making inquiries about different things. So overall, I think a well appreciated effort, and we feel like there are still more opportunities like in central state, and specifically I would say within the region. There are a lot of opportunities to export like auto components, and not only two-wheelers but four-wheeler as well. So we produce like two-wheeler and four-wheeler parts, and we feel like there's a lot of potential in the export market. And moving forward, the volumes here are also growing, but we feel like in order to grow, we have to go basically in exports. So well done. Thank you.